Hey, if you wonder how to change wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3, let me quickly show you. We've got actually two methods. The first one, you can do this straight on your watch. So click and hold with your finger and now slide to the left or to the right side and pick the different wallpaper, like for example this one. The second method is to grab your phone, go into this Galaxy application that you connect with your watch. You will start from this screen and go into the watch faces. Now, as you can see, you can find the different watch faces that you can quickly apply. From this, you can actually quickly apply them. So if you want to get, for example, this one, just click on it and tap add. And you can actually get for free any other watch face that you have. And it will be actually, when it hits the 100%, you can actually find the different wallpaper on your watch. Also, okay, we actually cannot skip this one, but you can also add your own picture, your own photo as a watch face by going into this one, click to customize, and from this you can pick any photo from the gallery that you want and input as a watch face. There we go. Now we have to wait until it will be uploaded. We have to click save, and there it is. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.